Observation involves paying attention to the nonverbal cues of others, such as facial expressions, gestures, and tone of voice, and using that information to understand their emotions and intentions. It also involves recognizing patterns and identifying common ground to reach mutually beneficial agreements. Experience in building empathy and agreement also involves developing attention to detail skills. This means being able to notice small changes in verbal and nonverbal cues and understanding their significance in the context of the situation. This can be done through techniques like active listening, observation, and reflection. To develop empathy and agreement, there are several strategies that can be employed. One effective strategy is to practice active listening. Active listening involves paying close attention to the words, tone, and nonverbal cues of others, and responding appropriately. This can be done by asking questions to clarify understanding, paraphrasing what has been heard, and demonstrating empathy through verbal and nonverbal cues. Another effective strategy is to practice empathy. This involves putting oneself in another's shoes and understanding their emotions and intentions. By practicing empathy, individuals can develop a deeper understanding and appreciation for the perspectives of others, leading to greater agreement and cooperation. Practicing observation is also important for developing empathy and agreement. This involves paying attention to the nonverbal cues of others and using that information to understand their emotions and intentions. By practicing observation, individuals can develop greater empathy and understanding of others, leading to more effective communication and problem solving. Seeking feedback is also important for developing empathy and agreement. This involves asking for feedback from others and using that feedback to improve communication and understanding. By seeking feedback, individuals can develop greater self-awareness and improve their ability to empathize with others. Finally, practicing reflection is important for developing empathy and agreement. This involves reflecting on past experiences and using that knowledge to improve one's ability to empathize with others in future situations. By practicing reflection, individuals can develop greater self-awareness and improve their ability to reach mutually beneficial agreements. In conclusion, building empathy and agreement requires experience and practice. By practicing active listening, observation, empathy, attention to detail, seeking feedback, and reflection, individuals can develop their empathy and agreement skills and achieve greater success in both personal and professional settings. It takes time and effort, but the benefits of effective empathy and agreement are immeasurable. Effective empathy and agreement lead to stronger relationships, improved communication, and greater satisfaction in both personal and professional life. By building experience in empathy and agreement, individuals can improve their ability to connect with others and achieve mutual success. Empathy and compassion are essential for healthy relationships and a more peaceful world. However, many of us struggle to consistently feel and show empathy for others. Based on my experience developing greater empathy and compassion, here are some key lessons. Practice perspective taking. Regularly imagine how others think and feel, putting yourself in their shoes. This mental exercise strengthens empathy muscles over time. Challenge assumptions. Check automatic negative judgments and assumptions by reflecting more deeply. Try to see others' motives and situations fairly. Seek shared humanity. Focus on what you have in common with others rather than differences. We all have the same basic human needs and desires. Develop self-awareness.